Welcome, this is Jeff, the Big Hairy Dog, and this is a feature of the month on unorderable items in version 8 Retail Pro. So we're going to go to merchandise and we're going to go to inventory, and we're going to need to find that field there called flag. So you might have to right click and go into interface page manager, and then you might have to get on and find the flag. It's usually like it's not at the bottom, but it's closer to the bottom, like in that neighborhood probably. Anyway, when you find it, anytime you find a field in the page manager, double click it, it'll go above the line. Double click it again to make it go below the line, and once it's above the line, you could move it around. So anyway, I'm going to click apply. We got the unorderable field here. There's also discontinued data. Also works very similar. Discontinued date allows you to set a date, and then after that date it becomes unorderable, but this is just straight up unorderable. So we can click at it. We can go ahead and make it unorderable. You can also use continuous edit mode if you know how to do that. It's Control F2, and then it would put it sort of like an Excel mode, and you could just type things very quickly and make them all unorderable much quicker. So that's continuous edit mode right there. Again, holding the Control key and pressing F2 activates it, right? And then you could go ahead and say unorderable, unorderable, unorderable. I'm just typing U, right? So that's pretty fast, really. All right, so then if we mark some items as unorderable, and we take like this item here, 40917, we got a vendor, right? So let's go to a purchase order, purchasing, purchase order, new, and say IMAX. And let's try 40917, 40917, and item marked as unorderable in inventory, right? Boom, done. Can't order it. Obviously, if you could put the mark on, you could take the mark off. So if I did need to order this, I could just go and take the mark off, and we would again be able to order that item. So there you go. That's the feature of the month for unorderable items on version 8 Retail Pro. This is the Big Hairy Dog, and my name is Jeff. Thank you very much.